Hello children, a very good morning. Hope you all are fine. So children, we were discussing about subtraction, right? So today we will discuss some of the properties of subtraction and we will also discuss about the subtraction by backward counting. Okay? Now, coming to the properties, so children already you know the value of 0. 0 means what? 0 means nothing, right? So subtraction of 0 means what? Whatever the number you have, when you are subtracting, when 0 is subtracted by any number, that may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 20, 90, 100, whatever the answer will be the number itself. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the number is the same or the number remains the same, children. Okay, that means what? 4 minus 0 is 4. 5 minus 0, 5. Okay, so here you can see Ram had 4 mangoes. He gave none to his friend. So that means he gave 0 mangoes to his friend. Now how many mangoes are left? Okay. So children, you remember these are the keywords of subtraction. Left means you have to subtract. So 4, 0. He gave 0. 4 minus 0. Right? How we read this? 4 minus 0. So you will get 4 only. Right? So similarly, you try this all. 6 minus 0, 6. 9 minus 0, 9. So remember that when 0 is subtracted from any number, the number remains the same. Okay, similarly complete this also. Now moving to the next one. When we subtract 1 from any number, the answer is the number just before. Do you remember in addition what we have learned? When you are adding 1 to any number, you will get the just after number. Similarly, when you subtract 1 from any number, okay, the answer is the number just before it. Okay, that means you will get the previous number. That means what? 9 minus 1, you will get 8. You count and check. Okay, 8 minus 1, you will get 7. 7 minus 1, you will get 6. Okay, these are the properties. Next is what? Already another property we have discussed. What is that? When you are subtracting the same number with the number, then you will get 0. For example, 9 minus 9, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. 10 minus 10, you will get 0. Okay, when the number is subtracted by itself, then the answer is always 0. Okay, so hope you understood about this one. So, when you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the same number. Like 9 minus 0, 9. 7 minus 0, 7. Okay, and when you subtract 1 from any number, you will get the before number, just before number. Okay. And when you subtract the same number with itself, then you will get 0. Okay. So complete page number 70. Now moving to another concept, that is counting back to subtract. Do you remember the number line? The line which have numbers in equal distance, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The line which represents numbers, right? So here you can see we have added the same number line for addition. Do you remember? Yes, at that time what we used? We used forward counting. But here for subtracting you have to use backward counting. Okay, let's see. Now here you can see 8 minus 5. Okay, 8 minus 5. Now you have to start from 8. You have to go 5 times back. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever the number it is coming, you have to stop there. Now, what is the answer? 3 is the answer. That means 8 minus 5, you will get 3. Let's count 8 minus 5. How you will do? Yes. So 8 minus 5, 8 fingers, open 8 fingers, you cut 5 fingers. Then how much are left? 3 fingers are left, right? So there you have to write 3. So here steps are also given. Put your finger at 8. Move backwards 8 times. So you can use any of the method. Okay, so this is the backward counting method. So here you have to use backward counting. Okay, Similarly, you try for 7 minus 2, 9 minus 7 like this. So here what you have to remember is, in subtraction, small number is subtracted from larger number. Okay, you cannot write 8 minus 10. You have to write 10 minus 8. Okay, so always you have to subtract the smaller number from larger number. Okay, and you cannot write 2 minus 7. You cannot write. Okay, you have to write 7 minus 2. Okay, so similarly complete this by using backward counting. So you have to 7 minus 3 means what you have to do? You have to yes, put your pencil at 7 and you have to move backwards 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So whatever the answer you will get, that you have to write here. So 7 minus 3, that is 4, children. Okay, so complete page number 71 also. And another property just now I told you, that is subtracting a number from itself. That means 4 minus 4. Okay, so here you can see Ravi had 4 pears. He gave all 4 pears to his sister. So how many pears are left with him? So 4 minus 4, 0. So subtraction is nothing but taken away. So you have to subtract, means 0 you will get. So when we subtract a number from itself, the answer is always 0. So subtraction using the number line, just I have told you just now, right? So that is the backward counting. Now, so this is also another example, 9 minus 5. So put your pencil here, then go 5 times back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so whatever the answer you will get, you have to write. So similarly complete page number 73. So children, hope you understood about the properties. Once again I am repeating, subtraction of 0. That means whenever you are subtracting any number by 0, you will get the same number. Okay, when you are subtracting the number by 1, you will get the number just before it. And when you are subtracting a number from itself, you will get 0. These properties you have to remember.